Good morning students and welcome to your English online lecture. Myself Miss Pooja and today you are going to learn subject English of standard 2nd. So students, today we are going to learn our entire revision of English. Okay? So students, let us start with our full entire revision practice. As you all know that your exams are coming from 15 on this Thursday. Your English exam is there. First paper is English. So students, practice is very important. In the today's English revision lecture, I am revising you the full revision, complete revision from question number 1 to question number last. Okay, so students, this will be your practice, revision practice, so that you can score good marks in exam. Okay students, so you all have to open your English notebook where you all have written the revision notes. In the previous lecture I have given the grammar revision and one lecture before I have given the English revision. So students, in which book you have written the notes, you all have to open that book. Also you all have to pay attention to the reading of the revision that I am going to explain you today. Okay, so you all are going to repeat along with me. बच्चों, आज हम हमारा इंग्लिश रिवीजन वापस एक बार करने वाले हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये हम आज के ऑनलाइन लेक्चर में हम रिवीजन की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ये आपका इंग्लिश का लास्ट लेक्चर होगा. ओके, तो आपकी एग्ज़ाम्स स्टूडेंट्स 15 से स्टार्ट हो रही है, ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम्स, और फर्स्ट पेपर आपका इंग्लिश है. बच्चों, ये एग्ज़ाम भी ऑनलाइन रहेगी. ऑनलाइन मीन्स आपको 9 o'clock को 9 बजे आपके ग्रुप में पेपर आएगा. वो पेपर आपको आपके इंग्लिश के नोटबुक में लास्ट पेज पर लिखना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, और जैसे आपका टेस्ट कंप्लीट होता है आपको फ़ोटो क्लिक करके आपके टीचर को भेजना है. ओके, कौन से टीचर को? सब्जेक्ट टीचर को. इंग्लिश का आप मुझे भेजोगे, मैथ्स का मैथ्स टीचर, हिंदी टीचर, मराठी टीचर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो इस तरीके से जैसे आप टेस्ट पहले भी देते आए हो उसी सेम फॉर्मेट में आपको ये ऑनलाइन टेस्ट देनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ आवर इंग्लिश रिविजन. So let us see the paper pattern first. Okay, those students who have not written the revision notes can watch the video and write the revision notes, as this notes will help you in the exam, and this is very important as the important questions that is been covered in this revision is going to come in the exam. ओके बच्चों, जिन बच्चों ने अभी तक रिवीजन नोट्स कंप्लीट नहीं किया है वो बच्चे अपने इंग्लिश नोटबुक में रिवीजन नोट्स कंप्लीट करेंगे. सो लेट अस बिगिन विद द पेपर पैटर्न. आपका इंग्लिश का एग्ज़ाम 20 मार्क्स का होगा. ये है पेपर पैटर्न यानी क्वेश्चंस. कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाएंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ गिव मीनिंग्स. Question number 2, write rhyming words of. Question number 3, make sentences from the words given below. Question number 4, unscramble the following words. Question number 5, who said the following to whom? Question number 6, answer the following questions. Grammar, fill in the blanks using the ing form of words in the brackets. Question number 2, complete the table. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with the correct word from the brackets. Question number 4, write composition on the given topic. Okay, so here is your paper pattern. Now let us begin with our English revision. So students, you all have to watch the video till the end very carefully and you all have to repeat it along with me. बच्चों, आपको मेरे साथ ही रिविजन रिपीट करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. Open your English notebook where you all have written the revision notes and watch the video. Okay, so let us begin with the question number 1. Give meanings. Give meanings. The word is given. You all have to write the meanings. Okay. First one is telescope. 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 In the previous lecture, I have already explained you the meaning. So today only we are going to revise. Okay. Today I am not going to explain. Only the revision I am going to do with you all so that you all can learn as more. Telescope, an instrument used for seeing far objects nearer and larger. So telescope, already as I have explained, I have shown you the poem, the image I have shown you. The telescope is used for seeing the far objects which are in the sky. Okay, like sun, moon. With the help of the telescope we can see it very close and very bigger. Second one is archery, a sport of shooting with arrows at a target using a bow. Archery. What is archery, students? Archery is a game, a sport of shooting with arrows at a target using a bow. Third one is Mahabharat, an Indian epic poem. Mahabharat is an Indian epic poem. Okay. Fourth one is pen. This is which pen? This is not that pen which we use for writing. This is a pen. The meaning of pen here is different. A place where hens live. Okay. The fifth one is skill, the ability to do something well. Okay, skill. Question number 2. Question number 1 is completed. So here only 5 meanings are there. You can easily learn these meanings. Question number 2. Write rhyming words of. The first one is sky. SKY, sky. Next is BY, by. Second one is HENS, hens. Answer PENS, pens. Third one is STARS, stars. Answer FAR, far. Fourth one is CHAIRS, chairs. Answer STAIRS, stairs. Fifth one FRIEND, friend. Answer END, end. Okay. So question number 2 is completed. Let us see question number 3. Question number 3. Make sentences from the words given below. Here action words are given. You have to make sentence. So students, you can make sentence of your own also. Only the word should be used in the sentence. Okay. First one is driving. DRIVING, driving. A girl is driving a scooter. So you can see the driving word had come in the sentence. बच्चों, मेक सेंटेंसेस यानी आपको वर्ड दिया है उससे आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है. आपको ये याद रखना है कि जो वर्ड दिया गया है उसका यूज़ आपके सेंटेंस में होना चाहिए. ओके. सेकेंड वन इज पेंटिंग. A boy is painting a picture. Third one is teaching. A teacher is teaching the students. Fourth one is dancing. A girl is dancing. So here are the make sentences. Question number 4. Now the next question. Unscramble the following words. What is the meaning of unscramble? बच्चों, unscramble यानी मैंने बताया था अनस्क्रैम्बल का मतलब है जो वर्ड आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया है उसकी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, वो प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में नहीं है, उसकी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है. तो हमें इसे क्या करना है, हमें इसका करेक्ट स्पेलिंग लिखना है. अनस्क्रैम्बल यानी वो वर्ड स्क्रैम्बल किया हुआ है यानी गलत दिया हुआ है, उसे हमें अनस्क्रैम्बल यानी उसको ठीक करके लिखना है. ओके, फर्स्ट वन इज WBO. Now the spelling is wrong. You have to make it correct. Yes. So what is the correct spelling? BOW, bow. Second one is WARRO. Now you have to write the correct spelling. ARROW, arrow. Third one is TOSOH. You have to write the correct spelling. SHOOT, shoot. Fourth one is RAYRECH. You are going to write the correct one. Archery, ARCHERY, archery. Question number 5. Who said the following to whom? First one, Guruji, I see the sky, the clouds and the sun. Answer, Bhim said to Guruji. Second one, Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. Second one, who said? Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. Answer, Arjun said to Guruji. Third one, you are not ready to shoot yet. Answer, Guruji said to Yudhishthir. Okay. So question number 5 is completed. Now question number 6. Answer the following questions. First one, who was Dronacharya? Now this is the question from the lesson story time. Okay. So the answer, Dronacharya was a great teacher. Okay, the answer is great teacher Guruji. In the bracket you have to write Guruji because the students used to call Guruji. So both the answer are correct. You are going to write great teacher Guruji. Okay. Who was Dronacharya? Dronacharya was a great teacher Guruji. Second question. What did Dronacharya ask the students to do? Answer, Dronacharya said the students to look at the wooden bird on the branch of the tree and hit exactly to his eye. Dronacharya said the students to look at the wooden bird. Okay, to look at the wooden bird on the branch of the tree and hit the eye. Third one, what did the boy bring for himself and why? Answer, the boy has bought a telescope to see the sky very close. What did the boy bring? The boy has bought a telescope to see the sky very close. Fourth one, describe about chickens. Answer, a domestic bird that people keep for its eggs. So what are the chickens? A domestic bird. It is a domestic bird that people keep for its eggs. Okay. Now the next question number. Okay, the grammar part is there. Here we have completed our English part. Now this is the grammar part. Okay. So English grammar part, those who have not completed can just watch the video and can write it in your notebook. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks using the ing form of words in the brackets. First one, John is dash up the ladder. Now here in the bracket word is given, spelling is given, same word you have to write in the answer. You have to write ing at the end of the word. John is climbing up the ladder. Second one, the teacher is dash the students. In the bracket TEACH, teach word is given. So you are going to write teaching. Okay. The teacher is teaching the students. Third one, the frog is dash into the pond. The word is given HOP, hop. So you are going to write the frog is hopping into the pond. HOPING, hopping. Fourth one, the dog is dash our house. The word is given guard, G-U-A-R-D, guard. You are going to write the answer G-U-A-R-D-I-N-G, guarding. The dog is guarding our house. Question number 2, complete the table. Here in the table you can see 1 is there, and in the next column many is there. 1, many. Comet, comets. You have to, 1 means one object, many means more than one object, like 2, 3, 4. तो बच्चों कंप्लीट द टेबल में आपको 1 दिया जाएगा, आपको क्या लिखना है, मैनी लिखना है. जब आप मैनी लिखोगे आपको सेम स्पेलिंग लिखनी है, लास्ट में आपको एस का इस्तेमाल करना है, एस आपको यूज़ करना है. कॉमेट, COMET, कॉमेट. आंसर COMETS, कॉमेट्स. प्लैनेट, सेकेंड वन PLANET, प्लैनेट. आंसर PLANETS, planets. The next is star, STAR, star. In the many, STARS, stars. Friend, FRIEND, friend. In many, you are going to write friends, FRIENDS, friends. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the brackets. First one, the bus runs dash the road. There are two options. So here you are going to choose the correct preposition. You are going to use the correct preposition and write the answer. The bus runs on the roads. Second one, there is a river flowing dash the bridge. There is a river flowing dash the bridge. So there are two options, under, on. So the correct answer is UNDER, under. Third one, the horse is sleeping dash the stable. There are two options, IN, in, NEAR, near. The horse is sleeping in the stable, in. Okay. So here question number 3 was fill in the blanks with the correct word. Now the last is the composition. Question number 4 is the composition. Write composition on my favorite game. It is very easy, only 5 points are there and this will come for 5 marks. So you all have to write all the 5 sentences as I have said in the previous lecture also. Okay, the first one is cricket is the most popular outdoor game in the world. Second one, cricket is my favorite among all outdoor games. Third point, this sport is played by using a bat and a ball. Fourth one, it is played between 2 teams of 11 members each. Fifth one, I love to play cricket with my friends. Okay, so here there are 5 points. So students, the entire revision we have completed. The full revision we have, once again we have revised. So let us see from the question number 1. Question number 1, give meanings. Question number 2, write rhyming words of. Question number 3, make sentences from the words given below. Question number 4 was unscramble the following words. Question number 5, who said the following to whom? Question number 6, answer the following questions. And here is the grammar. Question number 1, fill in the blanks using the ing form of words in the brackets. Question number 2, complete the table. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with the correct word from the brackets. And the question number 4 is write composition on my favorite game. Okay students, so here the revising is completed for your final exam. Now here are some instructions of the exam that you need to follow properly. बच्चों अब मैं कुछ आपको इम्पोर्टेंट सूचना देना चाहती हूँ, जो आपको पेपर स्टार्ट होने से पहले आपको उसे फॉलो करना है। आपका 15 अप्रैल से थर्सडे से पेपर स्टार्ट हो रहा है और फर्स्ट एग्ज़ाम आपकी इंग्लिश है। तो बच्चों, जब आप पेपर लिखना स्टार्ट करोगे, सबसे पहले आप ऊपर नेम लिखोगे। आपका नेम कैसे लिखोगे? आपका स्टूडेंट्स का नाम, फादर नेम एंड सर नेम, आपको आपका फुल नेम अच्छी तरीके से लिखना है। ओके, उसके बाद आपको लिखना है स्टैंडर्ड। स्टैंडर्ड आएगा आपका सेकंड। ओके, डिवीज़न, अब बहुत बच्चे डिवीज़न लिखते नहीं है, तो डिवीज़न आपको आपका फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड का जो डिवीज़न था वही डिवीज़न आपको यहाँ पर भी लिखना है। डिवीज़न आपका सेम रहेगा। ओके, उसके बाद आपको लिखना है डेट। आपका इंग्लिश एग्ज़ाम 15 को हुआ है, तो आपको लिखना है 15-4-21 और फिर आपको आपका पेपर लिखना स्टार्ट करना है। जब आप पेपर लिखोगे तो उसमें क्वेश्चंस लिखने कंपलसरी है। क्वेश्चंस लिखो, उसके बाद ही आपको उसके आंसर्स लिखने हैं। क्वेश्चंस लिखने के लिए पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट करके हेल्प कर सकते हैं, बट आंसर सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स को ही लिखना है। ओके, अगर आंसर्स भी पेरेंट्स लिखेंगे तो उनका पेपर कंसिडर नहीं किया जाएगा। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, और आपको वही टीचर को व्हाट्सएप पर भेजना है जो टीचर ने आपको पेपर सेंड किया है। अगर आप दूसरे नंबर पर दूसरे टीचर को आपका इंग्लिश का पेपर भेजोगे तो वो कंसिडर नहीं होगा। ओके, तो आपको जो नंबर से पेपर आया है उसी नंबर से आपको सब्जेक्ट के टीचर को पेपर भेजना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो ये था आपका इम्पॉर्टेंट instructions. This was the important instructions. You all have to write the complete details: name, standard, division, date, and then you all have to start writing your paper. Okay, the paper you are going to write in your English notebook on the last page. बच्चों, आपको आपका पेपर आपकी इंग्लिश के नोटबुक में ही लिखना है, लास्ट पेज पर। ओके बच्चों, यस, और आपको फ़ोटो क्लिक करना है और टीचर को भेजना है। जब आप फ़ोटो क्लिक करोगे तो फ़ोटो क्लियर होना चाहिए, जिसमें टीचर्स को चेक करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए। ओके, तो फ़ोटो जो आप भेजोगे वो क्लियर फ़ोटो आपको सेंड करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आप पेपर शाम के 6 बजे के पहले भी सबमिट कर सकते हो। जैसा आपका टेस्ट कंप्लीट होगा वैसे आपको सबमिट करना है। आपको सेम डे पर सबमिट करना है। ओके, 15 को एग्ज़ाम हुई है तो आपको 15 को ही पेपर आपका सबमिट करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, you all have to revise the revision. Students, revise the revision very well. Practice the revision as already I have revised you once again. So you all need to practice, and students, write the paper honestly, because as you know the online exam is there, so learn and write. Okay, wishing all the best for your exam to all the students. Okay, so read the question properly, write in the proper handwriting your paper, and do well. Okay, wishing all the best for your exams, as this is the last English lecture. Okay, stay home and stay safe and keep on practicing. Okay students, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching today's revision video.